Hi guys, this is James from Bommer, and I'm going to show you how the Bommer plugin BOM management software automates a process we all know and love, RFQ generation. So I have a design here in SOLIDWORKS, and now I need to start looking at how I'm going to make it. The challenge here is I have a whole mess of parts, some are off the shelf, some are machined, some are made through other processes. I'm going to start with the machined parts, since in reality those can take a little while to quote. Getting a filtered flat BOM out of SOLIDWORKS and into an RFQ template usually requires a lot of manual manipulation in Excel, but since we have Bommer, it's just a few clicks inside of the software and we're done. I'm going to show you this in two steps. First, I'm going to show you how little effort this is once Bommer is already set up for this task. Then, I'll show you how easy it is to configure Bommer to handle parts of my project workflow that I haven't set up yet. So first, let's just get an RFQ for machine parts built as fast as we can. We'll select a filter from the filter menu to focus in on only the machine parts. Next, we're going to export into a pre-formatted template that contains our logo, letterhead, and necessary formulas. Click Export. Select the appropriate template from the drop-down. Make sure all the requested parameter values are right. These get saved from export to export, so you don't have to retype them every time. Actually, we want to make 10 of these, so I'm going to change the assembly quantity to 10. Then click OK, and that's it. Once we open the export, we can see how Bommer fills in the necessary rows with part data, but maintains the formatting of our RFQ document. We can even see our total part count formula update with the Bommer data. Package this with the drawings and ship it out to the machine shops. Now, I want to build an RFQ for the laser cut parts in my design, but I don't have a filter for laser cut parts, so I need to add one. To add a filter, simply click on the filter button and select Edit Filter. Select New from the top-down box to create a new filter. Then click the Add button and enter a property and value to filter on. In this case, we want parts where process is equal to laser cut, and click OK. Save the filter by clicking on the Save button and giving it a name. And that's it! We can close this dialog box and apply the filter by clicking on this button. When we apply that filter, it shows us only the laser cut parts in our design. We can then export to our template as we did before. Bommer can even combine these two filters to get us all of the machined or laser cut parts, if we're, say, working with a big one-stop fabrication shop and want to get quotes for parts for multiple processes. And that's it! You can tweak Bommer to get you just the data you want and easily export that data into a format that is tailored to your business processes. This is James Ray from Bommer, signing off.